Welcome to step 2, implementation of bag of words without using scikit-learn Python library. In this step, we are going to remove all punctuations from strings in the document set. Previously, we have created a document which and we have converted that document into lowercase. So from that document contains a lot of punctuations. So in this step, we are going to remove all punctuations from a document set and save strings into a list called punctuation documents. All right, let's get started. Go ahead. Import a string, and for create punctuation documents, which is an empty list. So we are going to iterate over the documents, lowercase documents we have created in the previous video tutorials. And from that, we are going to convert, we are going to remove punctuation from each list and append it to the new list called punctuation documents. For every I in lowercase documents. Then punctuation documents dot append. So we are going to use a string manipulation method that is I dot translate, and from this translate we are going to pass another method that is a string str dot make trans. This is another method. Inside this method we are going to pass the punctuations, string punctuations from a string library. Punctuation. Now we have implemented the this method, and we are going to run this solution, and let's try to see the output of this solution. Print. Okay, we can check that this list of documents strings does not contain any punctuation. Hello, how are you? Win money, win from home. All punctuations are, for example, comma. All right. So in the previous document, there are comma, dots, exclamation mark, question mark, and a lot of punctuations. But now we have removed all punctuations from the document, and we have created a new document set, punctuation documents. Thank you for watching now. Stay with us and watch the next video.